Testing, 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 1, 2.
So in my last video, if you look closely, I was using a lavalier microphone. Well, in this video, I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and testing that microphone, the JH-043 Lavalier Microphone. One thing that attracted me towards this microphone was the price. It's very affordable. It's also compatible with any phone or laptop that has a headphone jack. So how does it perform? How is the audio quality? Let's find out. My name is Idi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. It's awesome having you here. I review tech, phones, laptop, consumer gadgets like this microphone I'm reviewing in this video to help you guys make a good purchase decision. So if you're into that, consider subscribing to the channel. So let's start the unboxing of the lavalier microphone, the JH-043 Lavalier Microphone. The unboxing is really basic. It's just the microphone that's in the box. There isn't even any manuals. Very premium unboxing. So this microphone cost me just 2,000 naira or $5. So it's very cheap. The microphone is 1.5 meters long and it has a clip which is very firm. So you can clip it onto your shirt and start your Zoom meetings or your talking head YouTube videos just like this one. It uses a 3.5mm headphone jack, so it's compatible with any device that has a headphone jack. If your phone does not have an headphone jack, you need to get a USB Type-C to audio jack dongle or a Lightning to audio jack dongle, depending on whether you have an Android or an iPhone. And if you want to use this mic with a camera or a recorder, you also need to get another dongle. This dongle, a TRRS to TRS dongle. It's also called an adapter. Now let's test it, the sound quality. So first you're going to listen to audio straight from my phone's microphone, and the next audio you hear will be from the lavalier microphone. So no edits are going to be applied to any of the audio. This is how they will sound straight out, no edits applied. So for the audio test, I'm going to be reading one of my notes from school. So yeah, let's do it. This is the phone's microphone. After a book or paper has been written, revised, and polished, one essential step remains: referencing. Referencing can also be seen as documentation of sources, and it consists of two elements: sources cited at the end of a book, and parenthetical notes within the text to tell readers where to find the various ideas and information. Lavalier microphone. After a book or paper has been written, revised, and polished, one essential step remains: referencing. Referencing can also be seen as documentation of sources, and it consists of two elements: sources cited at the end of a book, and parenthetical notes within the text to tell readers where to find various ideas and information. So this is also the lavalier microphone, but this time I'm holding it up close to my mouth. After a book or paper has been written, revised, and polished, one essential step remains: referencing. Referencing can also be seen as documentation of sources, and it consists of two elements: sources cited at the end of a book, and parenthetical notes within the text to tell readers where to find the various ideas and information. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, please do subscribe to the channel as it will help me a lot. Okay, back to the video. So this lavalier microphone is pretty good. Audio quality is good for the price you're paying. Remember, this mic costs only $5. But do tell me what you think of the microphone's audio quality in the comment section below. Just go down to the comment section and tell me what you think. One thing you should know if you're going to get this lavalier microphone or other mics like this is that once you start recording, it will pick up some static noise like this for about 2 seconds, and then after that 2 seconds the noise will stop and it will record your voice cleanly. So if you're going to get a mic like this, once you hit the record button, wait for a bit for about 3 seconds or 5 seconds, and then you can start talking so as to avoid that noise getting into your audio. If you watched this video to the end, thank you so much. Please do give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you'll be one of the first to know when I upload my next video. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoots. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.